Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a review video and I'm going to be reviewing AZURE Beauty Mood Color Changing Gel Polishes, and it comes in this box, well secured. And once you open the box, here comes the polishes, and it does come with a little booklet, and it does come with a little swatch stickers that you could apply onto the top of the nail polish bottles, which that is very helpful. Like that you won't have to guess what is the colors. Okay, so I'm gonna take them out of the packaging so you guys can see them. And they do come 6 of them in this set for $24.99, just rounded off to 25 bucks. And if you do the math, 25 divided by 6 of them, you're getting them like for $4 something each polish. And these are 12 ml size, which is 0.4 ounces, which I think that's a good deal because you're only getting these polishes for $4 something, and they're mood changing color, and they're mood color change, so you can't beat that. Okay, so let me get started. I'm gonna show you each and one of them. There. Okay, so the first one here is T25, and this is how it looks. Very pretty, like teal blue. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys as well, so let me just open them up and show you the colors. This one is AZURE T26, and it's a purple, and these have glitter. This next one is T27. This is another purple, but this one has like gold micro shimmer to it. It's super pretty. I love this one. Okay, the next one is T38. And this is a very pretty like fuchsia pink with like little micro glitters. I think of like maybe silver. Until I swatch it out, we could get like a full detail. Oh, this one is T46. It is a very pretty blue, and it has like silver or blue flakies, more like micro glitters, not flaky, so I won't confuse you guys. And this one is T58, and this is a red, and it looks like it has gold glitter. So now I'm gonna swatch them out on some fake nails so you guys can see them. Let's start with the first one. The first one I am going to swatch for you guys is T25, and again T25 is this pretty teal one. When you're applying gel polish, make sure you're using thin coats, so when you go to cure them in the UV lamp, they cure all the way. If you do thick coats like with nail polishes, they will not cure all the way. So there goes one coat. Make sure you close your bottle and do not keep it next to the lamp while it's open. You can have it next to the lamp if it's closed but not open. So now pop it in the UV lamp. Now it's time to apply a second layer. You can see the color, it changed already because of the heat of the lamp. And I'm going to show you what color it was. This is the color. You can see it slowly coming back to its cold temperature color. And that's how it looks when it's warm. Now it's time to pop this into the lamp. And there goes T25. You can see the two colors. Here is the teal, and this is like the melon green. Let me turn it on the lamp so you guys can see. There you can see the two colors more. And it has like lime green glitters. And it does have like little silver glitters, I believe. They look like if they're almost holographic. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. That is T25. Super pretty color. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one I'm going to swatch is T26. This is T26. It's a deep purple. And as I'm swatching it, it does have like light pinks glitters. So T26 turns into like a light pink shade. You can see the silver hollow, smaller glitters. I think all of them have silver hollow glitter, and with the gel color it turns to different colors, like a light pink or light purple. I think that's what it is. So here is the color that T26 turns into, and it comes from this dark purple and it turns into this light pink. The next color is T27, a lighter purple than the previous one. This one does have the hollow glitters, and it does have a shimmer of gold micro glitter. So now I'm gonna pop it into the lamp. And this is T27 once it comes out of the lamp. And this is the color. It's a purple, and it turns into a pretty soft blue, like a light teal with gold shimmer. Here you can see the two different colors. Next color is T38, fuchsia pink. I'm gonna do 2 coats and then apply the top coat, and then I'll show you the difference. Pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is T38. It turns to like a creamy white with the glitters popping out more, and it does come from this pink shade to that shade. The next one is T46, and it's like a dark blue. It reminds me like a blueberry blue, but it's a blue, and here it is. It does have silver micro glitters. When you swatch it, looks almost like a periwinkle color. Now pop it into the lamp. So here is how T46 looks when it's under hot. It gives off like a silvery color because of all of the silver glitter, micro glitter. And the color that it is when it's cold is this pretty blue. And the last one in this collection is T58, or more like a reddish pink. So let me swatch it out. Okay, it is a red, and it has silver glitters and hollow too. And it gives off like a goldish shimmer to it. Let me pop it into the lamp.